Hi trade boosters, welcome to this two-step strategy which involves the Heikin Ashi candlestick indicator and our Bollinger Bands. Alright, it is a very two-step 1-2 process. Let's get started. Rule number 1, wait for price to break out of your Bollinger Band as such, and wait for price to be oversold at the same time on your Heikin Ashi candlesticks, and then wait for price to turn green on your Heikin Ashi candlesticks. You can see price turned green right here. That was a good buy. Take a buy right there. Target your high. Now let's continue. I'm gonna show you guys some more examples. You can see we had another breakout right here. That was a nice breakout. Price touched our oversold area, and we received a red candlestick, then followed by a green candlestick. Then take a nice, that was a nice buy. As you can see, that was some good profits. So from here on, we are looking for buys unless the trend changes. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. As you can see, we had a breakout right here, and we had a nice green candle there. Stop loss underneath highs. That was a loss. And let's keep going. You can see we have another breakout right here, followed by a green candlestick. Stop loss right here. You can see we had a nice win. So as you can see, the strategy works. Test it out and let me know in the comment sections how it works for you.